This is a special device called Injector Reanimator that is used to clean and test fuel injectors. Here is a simple way to perform the test. I will conduct the testing using DIY fuel injector test bench. As a test liquid, we use a gasoline. The opening pulse is 9 milliseconds. The interval between pulses is 0.1 seconds. The number of pulses is 2000. If you wish, you can choose other testing modes. Here is the result of the test: 34, 28, 36, and 36 milliliters. I use WIN's injection system purge. It is a cleaning product to remove dirt and deposits from gasoline injectors. First, I pump this liquid into the injector and wait for about 5 minutes. During this time, carbon deposits dissolve. Then, in the Reanimator menu, select Clear Mode. With the help of an ordinary syringe and a medical tube, we create a vacuum. Turn on the Reanimator and observe the color of the flushing fluid. A few minutes are enough. Sometimes such cleaning is not enough. In this case, I recommend using an ultrasonic cleaning bath. The cleaning process is similar to the one seen earlier. Everything is very simple and clear. The time for ultrasonic cleaning is approximately 3 to 5 minutes. This mode is safe and does not harm the injectors. We check the injectors after cleaning on the test bench. Checking mode is the same as in the first case. And here is the result of the performance test: 36 milliliters, all 4 injectors. Now, let's test fuel injectors for leaks. For this, we use a Midivac automotive vacuum pump. Before testing, fuel injectors must be dry and free of fuel. Apply maximum pressure and observe for air leaks through the nozzle. It's convenient to use shampoo for this test. Good ones should not leak under pressure. This fuel injector is leak-proof. This fuel injector is leaking air, and we are seeing bubbles. It needs to be replaced with a good one. Here's another one good injector. It's working properly. This fuel injector is faulty. We see a leak, and the pressure gauge also shows a leak.